Generals were forced to disengage, unable to effectively return fire. Their Meteor missiles operating in a heavily jammed environment failed to achieve lock before safe engagement range. For the Indian Air Force, this wasn't just a tactical retreat. It was a strategic alarm bell, a wake-up call that their most advanced fighters could be challenged and even outmaneuvered by a digital combat system developed in China and operated by their regional rival. For Pakistan, this was more than a symbolic victory. It was a demonstration to their adversaries, allies, and global observers that they now possess the capability to challenge superior platforms using battlefield integration, electronic warfare, and next-gen missile technology. And for China, it was a moment of profound strategic validation. The PL-15, which had been touted for years as a rival to the Meteor and AIM-120D, had now tasted real combat. Even in a limited capacity, even without a kill, the message was clear. Chinese missile systems had arrived on the global stage, not as cheap alternatives, but as competitive instruments of high-end air warfare. In a single missile launch, Beijing had shattered decades of skepticism surrounding its aerospace claims. Around the world, military planners took note. From Washington to Paris, from Tokyo to Canberra, defense circles began urgently reassessing the threat posed by Chinese origin systems, not just in Chinese hands, but in the hands of their strategic partners. Nations operating US or European aircraft now faced a sobering question. Could their platforms hold the line against next-generation Chinese missiles deployed by adversaries in complex electronic warfare environments? Could traditional dogfighting doctrines survive in a battle space where the kill chain is completed at 150 kilometers by software? This wasn't just about a missile. This was about the collapse of the Western monopoly on electronic warfare supremacy.